The biggest benefit that St. Edward's University provided for me was extremely dedicated and caring professors that really took time out of their day to learn what my interests were and cater to them.
They offered me the room I needed to grow, but at the same time, there was always someone there to help if I needed it.
I've had great mentorship over these past 4 years, and whether it was a leadership position or a job I was holding, my supervisors always helped me grow professionally and personally, and they always cared about what was going on in my daily life outside of the role that I was doing for them.
During my time at St. Edward's, I utilized the Writing Center to help me with my research papers, but I also utilized the Career and Professional Development Office to help me with my resume and cover letters for internships that I was applying for. Because of their help, I received offers on all of the internships.
I had an endless amount of resources offered to me. As a new student, I had the opportunity to be mentored by some of my professors, and as a soon-to-be graduate, I worked alongside the Office of Fellowships at St. Edward's to figure out my next steps in life.
The students are passionate, the faculty is dedicated to the growth of that passion, and there are countless opportunities to stay engaged, get involved, and make a difference on campus and beyond.
Having the opportunity to speak up about spiritual and religious aspects of the topics we were discussing in class and hear from other students with different religious and spiritual backgrounds, which created an atmosphere of support that encouraged understanding, compassion, and empathy.
There have been so many benefits of attending St. Edward's University, but most especially the outstanding faculty, all of the experiences on and off campus, and the amazing friends I met.